Hi, my name is Matt Tilling and I'm one of the trainers with IA Seminars, and I wanted to talk to you about a course that I've got coming up soon, Financial Statement Analysis and Valuation. It's based on a course that I developed and delivered at Cambridge University, and it's designed to allow you to critically read financial statements, analyze them to extract useful information, and make decisions based on that information. The approach utilizes a four-step model that allows us to unpack the information in the financial statements and really get to grips with the information that's contained inside it. First, you need to understand the business and its industry. Otherwise, you have no context in which to understand the financial statements. This step is about building your knowledge by seeking out information that will give you a better understanding of the company. We have two goals when we're doing this. First, it gives you a context in which to think critically about the organization. And second, we can begin to form expectations about the future for the industry and for the company. We'll utilize tools like Porter's 5 Forces to understand industry profitability and also think about firm strategy. Next, we want to undertake accounting analysis. This is where we dive into the financial statements. We have two goals when we're doing this. One, we want to learn more about the company through the financial statements, thinking about what it adds to our understanding from our wider reading, and also how it contrasts with what we expect. We also want to assess the quality of the financial statements. Do they seem to be reliable? Are they conservative, aggressive, or simply delusional? This will significantly impact how we undertake further analysis. We will look at the three primary sources of noise in financial statements: the accounting rules, forecast errors, and management's own accounting choices, before considering a process that can be used to read financial statements and identify red flags. Financial analysis is where we really dive into the numbers, using a range of metrics to assess the financial position and performance of the company. We will create DuPont analyses and see how operating profit, return on assets, and financial structure all contribute to return on equity, as well as considering the role of more exotic ratios. Financial analysis also provides us with the numeric base that we need so that we can extrapolate our final step. Prospective analysis is where we use all that we've learned to forecast expectations and turn them into a valuation. This is the most daunting step and the most rewarding. Again, we will break down the key metrics, predicting industry and company trends, translating this into impacts on key metrics, and then allow us to produce predicted financial statements before finally generating a valuation. The focus of the course is on using real-world financial statements and undertaking practical activities to operationalize the four-step model. We will look at companies from a range of industries, including mining, financial services, and the retail sectors. A key element of the course will be using an Excel template that allows us to take financial statements and standardize them. You can see here, this is something we have done with the financial statements of Games Workshop. Once we have generated the standardized financial statements, we can use this to create key metrics that we need, and we can do this automatically with the Excel spreadsheet, and it provides us with a great deal of detail about the organization. Based on these key ratios, we can then make informed estimates of key numbers like revenue growth, financial structure, and discount rate. And from this, we can generate forecast financial statements to check them to make sure that they make sense. And finally, we can move on to share valuation. At the end of this course, participants will be able to undertake simple business strategy analysis to support financial statement analysis and valuation, critically read financial statements to assess the quality of information presented, produce and analyze financial ratios, undertake simple forecasting, and of course generate valuations based on financial statement information. These skills are useful in a wide range of contexts. Whether you are an investor or analyst wanting to get more value out of financial statements, a director or auditor wanting to apply a more critical perspective to reviewing financial statements, a manager wanting to assess competitors or potential partners, or a preparer who wants to think about the way their financial statements are used. So, that's it. That's the course. I'd love to see you there if you're interested. And certainly, if you've got any questions about the course, you can email me through IA Seminars. Or if you'd like to find out about any of the other courses that we have running in the near future, you can see some details here on the screen. Talk to you soon.